Imagine waking up every month knowing that your housing costs are completely covered by someone else's rent payments. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we show you how to hack the system to achieve financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. House hacking is the strategy of purchasing a property with multiple units or extra space and renting out the parts you are not using. With a VA loan, you can buy up to a 4-unit property with 0% down and use the potential rental income to help you qualify for the mortgage. The rent from your other units can often cover your entire monthly payment, allowing you to live in your own home for free or even turn a profit. This strategy is the ultimate shortcut to building a real estate portfolio because it dramatically reduces your largest monthly expense while you build equity. Even if you buy a single-family home, you can rent out spare rooms or a basement suite to offset your costs and accelerate your path to being debt-free. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com. See if you qualify for a multi-unit property and subscribe to learn more ways to make your home pay for itself.